If you've ever had an occasion to where you've had one of these suction cup devices come off your windshield, I've got a surefire fix for you. The surface of this should be, when it's brand new, should be completely flat. As you can see, there's a kind of a dip in there. This little suction cup device happens to hold my dash cam on my windshield, and this is, I think, the third time I'm having to do this. So it's something that you can do repeatedly. I think it lasted about 6 months. You know, the heat from the sun and all makes that suction cup, it's supposed to be flat. Whenever it's new, you shouldn't have that dip in there. You shouldn't have that recess in there. It should be completely flat. I'm going to show you how we get that out of there. Now this is a surefire way to do this. And what you do, you can do this with a heat gun. I do it with a little old inexpensive Bic lighter, where you just take the flame, and it takes probably about 10, maybe 15 minutes of this to do this, but takes about 10 or 15 minutes to do this, but you keep the heat on it. You don't have the flame directly on it, but you have the heat from the flame, which brings that dimple back out to where it's flat. And you'll see when we get done here how it works. And I'll have my dash cam hooked back up just as good as new, and it should last for about 6 months. But this is a surefire, easy fix for you. It's just about, it's just about to where it's almost completely flat. And like I said, this will last probably about 6 months. And I think it really depends on how hot your windshield gets. Now this was during the summer, and it lasted me probably 6 months, maybe a little less than that. But at least you found a way to where this little device is kind of expensive because it's a GPS. I know there are some inexpensive suction cups, but this, I think, is like, I don't know, $35 or $40 for this. I think we just about have it back to being, I think we have it just about back to being flat, to where we'll be able to stick it on the windshield. Alright, and we'll get a little alcohol and wipe the charcoal residue off of there and see if we can't get a little better picture of that. Okay, so I got a little alcohol in the rag. I'm going to clean off the surface of that where I burnished it with the flame, to where we can get an idea of see how it looks. And I don't know whether you can really get a good picture, how I can show that to you, where it's about 90% returned to the stage that it was when I first got it, when it was completely flat. Because whenever you stick that on the window, it's going to create the suction and allow it to stick to the window. And I need to clean all of this off so that whenever I stick it on the window, it will stay at least for 6 months or so. So this is a surefire fix to an age-old problem of a suction cup that wants to turn loose. And there you have it. It is neatly installed. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.